How to get your images to be the first in Google search results. How to keep the high quality of the image and make the load time faster, which is very important for the user experience, but also for favoring in the search results for the page where the image is displayed. If you want the image from your website to be highly positioned in Google search results, you must do the following. Define an alt tag. Probably the most important thing for image optimization is the alt tag. Googlebot crawl over the alt text of image to get an understanding of image content. Alt text needs to be descriptive, explaining the image in a straightforward manner. In addition to correctly describing your image, the alt tag should contain keywords for which you want to rank high in Google search results. Keywords should also be in the title and description of the image. Don't go overboard. Include keywords naturally and it will help you for SEO. If you overuse keywords, it can hurt your rankings. Optimize caption. Unless you are using the caption to cite the image source, you can include some important information here. Using caption you can expand further on the contents. We will add a few more tips that may be useful. If you want your images to rank good on image results pages, it is important to use original, unique images. Ultimately, Google prioritizes original content. Name the image file before uploading it. We suggest naming the image file as you want its title to be. Use responsive images. Responsive images are critical for ensuring good user experience, and it will have an impact on search engine rankings. If your images are not responsive, it will negatively affect SEO. Create an image sitemap to be sure that Google crawls all of the images on the website, because this can increase the chances for appearing in Google search results. If you want to compress images for faster load time, we suggest using some solution that can help you do this. By compressing the image, you will keep the quality, and its size will be reduced. There are a lot of solutions, and we'll show you tiny PNG. Simply attach an image and then download it. You will not see the difference in quality, and here you can see how much smaller the image is. Recommended image size is less than 100 kilobytes. This technique will make pages load faster, which creates a better user experience, and based on that Google will favor your page in search results. In the description of the video you can find a link to Google documentation related to SEO for images. Read it, it will be useful for you. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.